Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. We've now got issue 114 of Hachette Partworks Build the Terminator. Okay, so it's an exciting one, this one, because we get to put the circuit board in. This is going to plug in all them searchlights. So let me show you the parts. So as you can see, that's our circuit board there. Looking really cool. Underneath we get some screws just there. So let me show you exactly what we're doing. So basically the first thing we're going to be doing is bringing back the base. And yeah, we're going to be installing our circuit board. So there's 4 points that it wants us to line that up on. And we're going to start screwing that down. So we're going to put 4 of these silver screws just there at the top there. Then we're going to be identifying these 4 plug points here, because they are going to be for our searchlights. So we need to stretch the searchlights round into there. I'll show you the right ones to plug into the right ones. By the end we should have something that looks a little like that. So coming up next time, this is what we're going to be having, and yeah, as you can see, we get a big section of the base there. That must be one of the lower parts because we've done all the top, and then we get the speaker and the switch. Okay, so yeah, it shouldn't be too hard. This one should be a nice quick and easy video. So let's bring over the base, open the circuit board and start building. Okay, so this is our base section and this is our circuit board. So the parts with the 3 at the top and then 2 at the bottom. So you want the parts with the 3 plugs facing away from this bracketed wall. So that's going to just slot just in there, just like that. And then 4 screws are going to secure that down. Let's get the first of these screws in. Number 1, number 2, I'm going to put in the opposite corner, sort of hold it all a bit straight for us. Just like so. 2 more to go. There's that one. And the final screw just in this part here. So there we are. That's our circuit board in there. So we're going to turn this round to the way they've got it so I can see exactly where they're going to go. So this one, it wants us to bring this round, and this one's going to plug. I'm going to start with these 2. I've got 2 wires here as well. So this one here wants to come across, the one from this hand side. It's going to come across and that's going to plug into this one here. So make sure we plug it in the right way, which is this way. Then we can push that down. Just like so. Next one, it's going to go just next to that. Just there. Then we've got 2 more. So this one here is going to go into the first hole. And this one here is going to stretch round and plug in to the second one. Make sure we get it around the right way. And push that one down. Just like that. So that's going to channel around there. And want this one to go through there. Sort of like that. So we need to keep this part clear for the speaker, which is covered in the next issue. So probably what I'll do is after the next issue, I will probably tape these down so they're not sticking up anywhere. So there you go guys, that is issue 114 all complete. Really simple and easy one. That one was just screw the circuit board down and plug the plugs in. If you do cross over the plugs and plug them into the wrong ones, shouldn't have to worry about that because they're all identical things and they're just like searchlights, so it shouldn't really cause too much of a problem. So coming up tomorrow, we're going to have, is it part 8 of the HMS hood? That one's tomorrow. And then we're going to have 115 of Build the Terminator the next day. So make sure you join me for them ones, guys. And if you like this video, please remember to leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.